Here is our list of the top 5 best all-in-one computers you can get right now. The Apple iMac is a premium all-in-one computer that combines powerful performance with elegant design. Though its base price is high and upgrades can be costly, it offers excellent value for professionals. Featuring the M4 chip with a 10-core CPU and GPU, it's ideal for content creators, artists, and video editors. Its 4.5K Retina display delivers stunning visuals, and the 12-megapixel camera ensures high-quality video calls. Available in vibrant colors, it enhances any workspace. With Wi-Fi 6E, optional Gigabit Ethernet, and Apple Intelligence for AI-assisted workflows, the iMac is both future-ready and user-friendly, making it a standout choice in its class. The HP Envy Move is a highly portable all-in-one PC, designed for users who want a full-size screen with easy mobility. Weighing just over 9 pounds, it features foldable kickstand feet, a built-in handle, and a keyboard with a trackpad that stores behind the display. Its QHD touchscreen is bright and comfortable for office use, and the keyboard and trackpad offer a responsive experience. While port selection is minimal, only USB-A, USB-C, and HDMI, with no audio jack, and built-in speakers are weak, its strength lies in portability and productivity, making it ideal for home or office tasks on the move. The Lenovo Yoga All-in-One AIO is a powerful ultra-slim desktop PC featuring a stunning 32-inch 4K display and a body just 0.7 inches thick. It's equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900H processor, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage, ideal for multitasking and everyday use. It includes a wireless mouse and keyboard, along with helpful pre-installed apps. Connectivity is robust, with USB 4, USB-C, USB 3.2, HDMI, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The 5-megapixel webcam handles video calls well, and the audio impresses with dual speakers, woofers, and Dolby Atmos for immersive sound in a sleek compact design. The Dell Inspiron 7730 is a versatile laptop designed to handle a wide range of everyday tasks. It features a 1080p Full HD display that offers clear and vibrant visuals, making it ideal for general use. Equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce MX 570 graphics card, it also supports casual gaming, though it's not intended for high-end titles. A standout feature is its adjustable webcam, which pivots 25 degrees for better framing during video calls and folds into the chassis for privacy when not in use. Overall, it's a solid choice for users seeking performance, practicality, and thoughtful design features. The HP OmniStudio X All-in-One combines a massive ultra-high-definition display with powerful performance, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. It features 1 TB of storage, 16 GB of RAM, and an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for large files. Designed for professionals and business users, it also includes Microsoft Copilot for AI-powered productivity, helping with tasks like drafting emails and answering questions. Connectivity is strong, offering 8 ports for accessories and peripherals. Overall, the OmniStudio X delivers an excellent balance of power, storage, and intelligent tools in a sleek all-in-one package.